hello, I am from Coding Ninja. I have done a project called Alarm Clock. This project is made with the help of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I want to tell some features of this project and the coding behind it. This is my GitHub profile, and in this, I am in Alarm Clock repository. This is my JavaScript file, CSS file, and HTML file, and it is my hosted project. It is a simple alarm clock. My project title is alarm clock. It does not have many features, but you can set alarm. We can change colors by hover properties, like we can set hover by hover buttons, like and also we can set minutes and am/pm. If we don't set correct time or don't fill any option, then alert message will show. For example, we can set hover like 7 and a minutes not set, and set am/pm and click on set alarm. This is alert message, and we can't able to set alarm. Now let's set an alarm, and 1:52 p.m. and click on set alarm. We can stop alarm by click on clear alarm button. Now if we talk about its code, it is VS Code. This is HTML file, like container, class container, hover minutes, and it is my CSS file for many styling, and it is JavaScript file for set live timing. And this HTML file output is so. It is my whole alarm clock project. Thank you.